Want peace of mind with your RFID challenge? Trust begins where smart technology becomes effortless in daily life, hospitals, and the pharmaceutical industry. Where does this trust come from? At Schreiner MediPharm, every RFID label is the result of knowledge, innovation, and rigorous testing, developed to deliver reliable performance and outstanding quality. We bring in decades of pharma experience and a deep understanding of the special challenges in pharma production and processing. At Schreiner MediPharm, we think beyond labeling. In close collaboration with our clients, we support every step of the way with care and expertise, from the initial idea to seamless implementation and reliable series production. Our high-quality RFID labels ensure smooth integration into your processes without the need for adjustments. We develop customized RFID labels designed for precision, reliability, and compliance with pharmaceutical standards. Each label is developed individually for each customer application, meeting the highest demands. Schreiner MediPharm combines proven expertise and innovative strength to deliver high-performance labels. Invisible technology that inspires visible trust. Pharma-RFID that outperforms. Developed for your peace of mind.